develop curricula and science diplomacy training for a world that is changing at an incredible speed. And where any curriculum basically is outdated already next week. If you just look back on what happened in the last 8 weeks, which kind of feels like what happened in the last 80 years. So very quickly changing geopolitical environment, but of course also extremely quickly changing scientific technological environment. Yeah? And you can come up with whatever curriculum. I mean, just the speed of technological development will require that any training you do on science diplomacy will have to be highly adaptive.